how to set up your YouTube monetization step by step. Let's get your channel ready for monetization. I'm Kuchadi here. Here's the real roadmap. Requirements number 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours. If you've been uploading videos and wondering when will YouTube start paying you, this one's for you. Let's break down the monetization requirements. The famous 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hour is what we are breaking down. YouTube pays you when you join the YouTube Partners Program, YPP. But to qualify, you need to meet two conditions. Condition number 1, that is 1,000 subscribers. This shows YouTube that you've built a real audience. It's not about luck, it's about consistent value. Each video is a seed. Keep posting, keep engaging. Then the second requirement is 4,000 watch hours. This means people have watched your video for a total of 4,000 hours in the last 12 months. So, longer engaging videos help you reach it faster. Think of 5 minutes to 10 minutes value-packed content, not just shorts. Once you hit both goals, you can apply for monetization right inside YouTube Studio. Requirement number 2, community guidelines and consistency tips. Before YouTube approves your monetization, there's one crucial step creators often overlook, and that is the community guideline. YouTube doesn't just check your numbers, they check your content, quality, and compliance. Every video you post must follow YouTube's community guidelines. What are the YouTube's community guidelines? That means no reused or duplicated contents. Then, no misleading thumbnail or titles. And another one is no copyrighted materials without permission. And of course, no harmful or hateful content. These rules keep YouTube a safe and trustworthy platform. Then we talk of consistency. Monetization favors channels that upload regularly, not once in a blue moon. Even one good video per week is better than 10 random uploads. So, create a schedule you can actually sustain. Maybe 3 shorts plus 1 long video per week. Remember, success on YouTube isn't just about hitting milestones. It's about trust, rhythm, and value. Requirement number 3. This will show a demonstration of how to open YouTube Studio and leading you to monetization tab. Step 1, go to youtube.com and make sure you are signing to your channel. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture. Step number 2, from this drop down, click YouTube Studio. That opens your full channel dashboard. That is your creative control center. Then step number 3, on the left side bar, scroll down and click monetization. You will now see your monetization overview page showing your current statistics like subscribers count, your watch hours, and whether you meet the requirements. You will find buttons like notify me when I'm eligible and options to join the YouTube Partner Program once you qualify. So, stay consistent and monetization will chase you. Subscribe to this channel, click the link below, and let us monetize together. See you in the next video.